Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing video of Morphy Richards iron box. Now, let us see what is inside the box. This is also I have ordered from Amazon, and we will open and we will see what is inside the box and what are all the features which that iron box is having. Here we are. I have opened this and just seeing this Morphy Richards iron box. Okay, slowly we have to remove. Here we are. So they have given the Morphy Richards. Okay, so what they have written, it's a dry iron box. So they have mentioned item code and wattage is 1000 watts, voltage is 230 volts to 50 megahertz. Okay, and they have mentioned 1095, but I have ordered in some other price. So they have mentioned that the address of that company, and they have mentioned as a quotation, smart ideas for your home. So okay, here we can see in this floral design in American heritage non-stick coated Soleplate, temperature control. So they have given the temperature control, which is so good. Neon indicator. So this iron box you can see. So they have given the 2 years warranty of this product. Okay, now stylish floral design for superior. And they have mentioned same whatever they have read in the front side of the box. So this side also we can see same thing they have mentioned. So we'll see. We'll open the box and we will see. Okay, they have given, what is this? Okay, this is a hologram of American heritage. Now we can open this one, and what is inside the box? They have given one cover. So this is the warranty card. So this is a warranty card. So and what are all the rules and regulations which is comes under warranty, which is not comes under warranty, they have mentioned clearly. So this they have mentioned customer care number and everything. Something about that. Okay, this is the user manual for the dry iron box Morphy Richards. So how to use, how to switch on. If you are a new user and you don't know how to operate a iron box, then by using this you can follow. So they have mentioned the components, what are the components is there and how to use, which I have already told you. So this is the iron box which they can. Okay, so how it looks like we will see here later part in the video. So I will open, I will uncover that and we will see what is there. So this is the iron box, and what else they have mentioned here. These are all the features they have mentioned. So and now we will see, and apart from this nothing is there. So I will remove this box here and we will see what is that inside this one. Removing cover. So I have removed this. This is the color of iron box. It's white and brown also. It's a brown color handle. It's very lace only, so no need to worry. It's okay. So this is the indicator which I have mentioned, heat indicator. I will show you this one also. So basis on the cloths, whatever the cloth type we are using, basis on that only we can use this. Here they have mentioned minimum line, cotton, wool, silk, basis on our requirement, rayon, nylon. So whatever what kind of a cloth we are using, basis on that only we can adjust the heat when we are switch on when we are doing iron. So this is the bottom side of the iron box, and they have mentioned here Morphy Richards, the AC iron, and the model number also they have mentioned. Unique design, so they have given some kind of a design also. So a very good metal, and this is a plastic. And cable strength is also good, very good. So normally whenever you are purchasing, they won't give that kind of a good quality cable, which I have seen already in other iron boxes. I'm not comparing with other companies, but I'm telling this. So it's a good iron box which we can use for our home purpose, and a nice one. And Morphy Richards also is a very good company, so one of the leading companies in India. So no doubt about that, is a very good iron box, and you can purchase in online. And that's all for this video, and if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.